Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to create a Newton account online. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So, if you're interested in getting into the world of cryptocurrency, then creating a Newton account is a great way to get started. But before we dive into the steps of creating a Newton account, let's talk about why you might want to use Newton in the first place. Why use Newton? There are a few reasons why you might want to use Newton to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. First, Newton is a very user-friendly platform. The website is easy to navigate and the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies is very straightforward. Second, Newton is a very secure platform. They use a number of security measures to protect your account and your personal information. Finally, Newton is a very affordable platform. They offer some of the lowest fees in the industry. How to create a Newton account? Now that we've talked about why you might want to use Newton, let's get into the steps of creating a Newton account. Go to the Newton website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on the Create Account button. You will be asked to verify your email address. Click on the link in the email that Newton sent you. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. Once you have verified your email address, you will be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and address. You will also be asked to provide a copy of your government-issued ID. Once you have provided all of the required information, you will be able to create a Newton account. Here are a few additional tips for creating a Newton account. Use a strong password that is at least 8 characters long and includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication for your account. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. Be sure to read and understand the Newton terms of service and privacy policy before creating an account. Creating a Newton account is a quick and easy process. Once you have created an account, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and happy trading.